Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to create an Amazon business list for you to submit your orders next school year. The finance department's doing something different next school year to submit Amazon orders. You will have to create your own list and then share it with me and Lynn, and then we'll approve it, and then I'll enter a PO for it. Then we submit it to the finance department for them to continue with the purchase. So what you'll do, you'll have to log into the business Amazon website. It's a little bit different than the regular Amazon. So you'll go to the website, which I'm already in, and then we'll go to, you can either sign in or create. So we'll go to create. Okay, so once you go in here, you'll go to Business Plus. And this is important because you want to make sure that you're on the Business Plus side of it, because earlier I tried to submit an order and I guess for some reason I wasn't on this tab. And when I went to share it, it wouldn't pull up anybody from our district. Like none of the people with Castleberry ISD email was pulling up. So I had to redo it and then go to the Business Plus tab on here. So once you're on here, you'll go to your list. I've created a few, so I'm going to go ahead and create another one. You can create your list, and what the finance department is wanting you to do is to add the campus that you are at and then the date. Sorry. So we can put Castleberry Elementary, and then we can do the date. And then you can put the last name, your last name. That way it'll be a little bit easier on who the order is for. So you'll start adding stuff to your list. I'm just gonna, let's say this is for like a science project that you'll have next month or so. Okay, so once you're on the item that you're wanting, you'll go to Add to List. And then the new one that we created is the CE. So then you'll go, it's added, so you'll continue shopping. Let's just add a couple more items here. Okay, so again, we'll add it to our list. And this right here is pretty cool because like it shows you the last item that you saved to what list. So let's say that you have a few lists with the similar names. You'll be able to distinguish them by the items that you put on each one. So the last one that I put was a magnifying glass, and it shows on there, it's tiny, but you can see it. So we'll add it to the CE again, and then we'll add one more thing. Okay, so we'll add it to the list again. Okay, so once you're done with the creating the list that you're wanting, you'll go to View Your List, and then right here, you'll be able to add comments and add the priority to each item that you're wanting. So let's say this is for a science project that you're doing. You can add a comment to each item, or if you're wanting 3 of the items are for science project, and then 2 items are for a different thing that you're doing in your class, you can label each item to what you're going to be using it for. So this can be science project, and then let's say you need it by next month, need it by July 16. Okay, save it, and then we can put high on this one. And then the priority level of it will be helpful, I think, towards the end of the school year, mainly because our budgets start getting lower and stuff, and there's only a certain amount of money that we have to work with. So it'll be helpful because let's say you want a list, but then out of that list you mainly need 2 items, and then one of the items is the lower priority. That way it tells us, how important you're wanting, or how much you're wanting the item, or how much you're needing it. And we can, we know that if we don't have the budget to order it this time, we can always order it next time, or maybe the next order that we do it, we can add it to that one. So here again, we can do for even in this one, let's say we can put it a lower priority because you probably have already some in class and you just wanted to replace them or something. Okay, so once you are done editing the items in the quantity, so right here, let's say we need 3, you can change it on here, and then so once you're satisfied with that list that you created and the items are correct, the quantity and the priority on them, and the comment for each one of them, you can go here to more, and you can manage it anytime. And again, you can put a comment here. Class. You don't worry about the shipping, we do that. And then save. Okay, so now once your this is completed and you're ready to share it, you'll go to share, and then you'll go to manage co-workers, and you'll add whoever you would want to share it with. So it would be for special ed orders, then it will be Lynn and myself. So we'll go ahead and add Lynn. When you save it, it automatically shares it with them. So we'll go ahead and save it. And then another thing that the finance department is wanting us to do, and it's also in the instructions that I'm going to be sending you later, it's once your order is completed, you've received your items, and you have everything that you wanted, they want you to unshare the list with whoever you shared it with. So you'll go back to this page and then manage, and then you'll just remove the people that you shared it with. So that's pretty much it. Once you're done with your list, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. Once you're done with your list, just shoot us an email also and just say, hey, yes, I created a list, and I'm sending it to you. I'm also going to be sending you a list that they provided to us from the finance department with, it's just like also a how-to on how to do step-by-step instructions for this. If you have any questions, just call me or email me. My extension is 2570, and I will be glad to help you. Thank you.